The Hello, welcome everyone to yet another episode of Life to Setup. Often they say there are two spaces in media world, a digital space and Bollywood space, and predominantly that leads to celebrities in digital world and Bollywood world too. But in this hustle bustle, we have forgotten about ourselves. Have you ever thought that even we normal people are also celebrities? Yeah, I mean, we are indeed celebrities of life who strive and thrive constantly. And today's guest is Sudeep. He's my coworker, friend, and my former gym mate. And I did imbibe a lot of things from him, like waking up early, journaling, and keeping on improving on ourselves. So, topic for today is self-improvement. What's up, buddy Sudeep? How's it going?
Good, Ketan. Thanks for inviting me. I was a bit skeptical that I would do it, but yeah, finally I made up my mind to do this.
Yep,
Let's get
yep, yep.
started.
I'll just give you an idea like how to loosen up. Can you just do like this? Yes. So this is what used to happen when I was going to school. There was a professor. He used to come and he used to make us do like this. And now I realize that there is a science behind it. This term is called as Bastrika. It's basically, it relieves the stress and it's kind of, you feel that loosen up feeling in you and you can just talk it
Okay.
out loud, anything that you want.
Oh,
So
nice. Maybe I'll be using it from now on.
yes, do it. This is what I do too whenever I'm going to any interview or something like that. This is what I did before coming on to this interview too. It kind of, loosens up a bit.
Okay. I
So
I
without
also try to inculcate as much as I can.
yes, sir, please do it. So without further ado, my first question to you, Sudeep, is what was your turning point in self-improvement? How you got introduced to this lifestyle? I can give you a brief instance. Like even like 1 year back, you told me about your self-improvement. Like you wake up early in the morning, and that's what it realized in me. Ki, "Baba, even I should do some things like this." And thanks to you, just because of you, I started doing all these things. I'm very much thankful to you for that. Over to you, Sudeep.
Yeah, so starting off with the question. So what used to happen is I used to kind of wake up a bit drained instead of being energetic. All my how could I say previous years without the self-improvement thing was kind of like sleeping whenever I want to sleep. As in, I used to do a lot of midnight movies or Xbox games or whatever. I kind of got into that kind of a habit, and I used to kind of sleep around 3:34 in the morning and wake up around 7:38. That kind of used to give me a, what should I say, that negative energy in me, as if I keep thinking, is it good that I need to go to office, or can I just stay back home? I used to question myself. That was a routine that used to happen daily, as in Monday to Wednesday. But
Mm,
Thursday and Friday are like as if I'm getting the weekend. So I think at least this is the time I shouldn't complain. I should just go. So I wanted to do something about it, as in improve on my sleep pattern. So that's how I started off on self improvement. So did a lot of reading, and then lot of blogs on how exactly sleep pattern helps. And I think there's a couple. There's a website of Bill Gates. I think he kind of writes his daily things or daily thoughts or something like that. So he put a small blog about sleep and how important is it. So when he said that, I kind of recognized that it is also very important. Maybe this is the root cause of all my irritation and kind of negative energy. And people come to you, they come up with some positive energy to talk to you, because it's some kind of a transaction that's happening. But when I used to sleep less, I used to be so irritated and grumpy that I don't even feel like talking to anybody. I just get my work done and get it going. So that's my initial take on self development. And then I thought that if I can kind of come into a schedule, maybe that would be helpful. So all I used to do is I used to wake up early, do whatever I feel like doing. As in the morning, as soon as I wake up, it need not be something productive. It would be even watching a movie or even playing games. I used to do early in the morning, waking up. So I want to get into the habit first, as in getting up early in the morning, make it interesting. So what I feel is, if I can make it interesting, that's when I can stick to it. So, and I also feel that if I do it for regularly for 15 days, as in train my body for 15 days. On the 16th day, it kind of becomes a habituation to you. So
Mm-hmm.
now I think if today if I sleep around 10 or 10:30, my body would automatically wake up around 5, 5:30. I have trained it that way. So 7 hours of sleep is sufficient for me. That's what I've recognized and realized. So I'm kind of happy there because before even going into a routine, I have at least 2, 3 hours of my time, which is kind of very important as in growing up. Because when you were a kid, you were always kind of learning something or the other because of curriculum or the competition around you. But once you get into a routine, you're kind of lacking behind on what you want to do. You're only doing what you want to do for the paycheck, but not something that makes you live. So yeah, so things like this has kind of made me do stuff like this, as in dream ahead, think something that can be done, small things that can make difference. All these things has given me positive hope in my life. As in, uh, just to end this, I just don't uh, dream small, I dream big. But in order to get that done, I take it in small chunks and get there. That's what I would say.
So,
Yeah.
as you mentioned, dream ahead, Sudeep. So, do you have any vision in your mind? This is what people say, right? If you have vision in your mind, think about that. Only just think about that, and you will reach there at some point. So, like, do you believe in this stuff?
Yes, so I'm kind of a person who likes to listen to successful people, because life is nothing different than someone else's life, if at all, if you're thinking about it. So when I kind of dream, I dream only what is good for me, as in dream is all about you. So when I dream, I think about what exactly could I do better? As in, for example, I want to become an entrepreneur, as in
Nice.
one fine day. But it could not be. It need not be big. What I realized after kind of what I feel is money is kind of infinity. You don't get you cannot quench your thirst with money. But I feel all these people who have been successful are behind ideas rather than
Mm,
behind money.
right.
So that's where your hook is. So if at all if you're behind idea, and that idea is successful, and out of which you get money, and you're helping the society all throughout, all those the pie diagram which I kind of feel how life is gets kind of done and completed, and you also feel accomplished. It's like
Right.
you're giving something to the society and you're making money exponentially. And I also don't like to work 9 to 5 as a routine. I
Hmm.
feel it has to be something life has to be a little bit abnormal that way, as in you shouldn't be predictable, as in 9:30 so it will be in the office, 5 o'clock you'll be done. It has to be something different, because looking at the lifestyle that we are in right now, it's kind of getting boring, I could say that, because all you do throughout your 15 days or 1 month of your paycheck is that do what your boss says. But at the same time, you have a lot of your own things that you want to complete get done. So I'm dreaming in that angle. Get
Yep.
get get do go in a perspective where I can be my own boss, do whatever I feel like doing, and at the same time get a monthly pay. So
Got it.
that's
So,
where I'm.
so has it ever happened to you that you planned something and did not get executed? Like, has it happened to you anytime?
Yeah, a lot of times. So starting off with the gym, doing gym daily. So what I realized in this thing is, as in, if I'm answering a question right, you can stop me. So what I felt is any habit, as in anything that you want to do, can be done alone or in a group. So what I felt for this for this one thing about gym is that if you have a group or at least 2, 3 people along with you, even though
Mm,
you're feeling low for that day, you'll be having someone else
mm,
in order to go give you that kind of a motivation, and you'll be doing it. It's not that you have to go perform 100% in the gym daily. It's just that you allocate
yep.
that time daily. You go there, don't do anything other than doing gym. Even
Hmm.
there's something I even there's this guy called Simon Sinek, I guess. He says
Hmm.
that if you are not even having the mood to go and do something about it, just go to that place, just sit there and only think about it. Think about work. If you're going to work, only think
Just
about
go
work.
there and give
Don't even
attendance.
give attendance. At
This is give
least
attendance. Yeah.
don't do anything else. Just at
Mm,
least think about work. Don't
mm,
even think about something. Even if your brain is trying to deviate, just focus on it. Then at least after 20 or half an hour of that struggle, you at least do the work for 10 minutes, and the flow continues. So that's what I believed in once he told me. So once when I started off doing this gym or something which kind of pumps up my blood, I used to not do it that often. I used to break chain.
Uh-huh.
So, but I used to come back. As in, it wasn't not a regular thing. As in having your lunch, having your breakfast, and having your dinner. I kind of feel that gym should also be, or working out or giving your me time should also be something like that. It kind of enforces you to be a better person.
Perfect answer for that question, Sudeep. So I have few rapid fire questions to you. Number
Sure.
one, partying all night or waking up early?
On the weekend, I don't like to be kind of a
You have
same
to
guy.
just answer just one, Sudeep. Partying all night or learning? Waking up early.
Waking up early.
Nice. Teaching or learning?
Learning for now.
Okra or lady's finger?
Okra.
Both are the same thing.
I know.
Business or 9 to 5 job? You have already answered it, but I just want to answer it.
Business.
Nice. Awesome. Thank you so much, Sudeep.
Hello.
So I think
I
we
lost you,
have,
Ketan.
uh, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. Go ahead.
Okay, sorry. So anyway, I think that, we have pretty much covered all the questions that I have so far. And we are
Okay.
definitely going to, continue talking about this in future episodes too, but probably not the next episode. And I hope that you'll come to my show again. Thank you so much
Sure,
for your
sure.
time, Sudeep. And let's talk again later sometime.